Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro drop 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Asian stocks traded cautiously as US earnings season gets into full swing this week, while a raft of Chinese data will offer insight into how the world's second-largest economy is recovering. Bitcoin's rally above $30,000 has stalled, at least temporarily. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was recently trading at around $29,500. Vietnam's electric car maker VinFast said it had shipped a second batch of 1,900 longer-range VF8 sport utility vehicles to North America, as it seeks to expand its foothold in overseas markets.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's ILO unemployment rate will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The US housing starts at 12:30 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 01:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.